Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today I got another dunk for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's open the box and you ready can see which one this one is. As you can see, today we got the dunk plums for you guys. There we are. As you can see, these are a very nice shoe. They were retro again. These were originally released in Japan for the Ugly Duckling pack, and they got re-released for the Olympics that never happened. As you can see, the suede is just crazy. The quality is mad. These are very nice. The originals are even nicer. As you can see, it has a nice color changing suede. Very nice. Let's start from the bottom, which is this kind of burgundy color. Then you got the nice white, and then you got the purple, and then you got this burgundy color, and then a light purple. And then inside, as you can see, the sole with the burgundy color and the nice purple. The back, you have the nice burgundy and the purple. And then again the buttery suede with the original color changing effects. Very nice. The front, as you can see, the tongue is this nice light, and it follows up into the tongue with the burgundy take as well. This, all in all, a very nice pair of dunks. One of my best for 2020 for sure. If you can get these ones, you guys missed out, because if you can't get these for retail, which I managed to get for retail, but these are now, the retail was £90, which is still a lot of Ugandan dollars, but now these ones sell for at least near £400, which is a lot of Ugandan dollars. Yes, so if you missed out on this, unfortunately the price is quite high, but yes, I would still highly recommend trying to get these if you can find them for a good price, because the price will go even higher, because these are very nice sought after purple burgundy dunks that you don't see always. Very nice color, as you can see. Very nice shoe, highly recommended. You can wear them with everyone, as I'll show you on the on hand shots. There we are. This is how they look on hand. If you wear them with the blue socks and everything, it will look nice. As always guys, I'm going to try making more videos with these dunks. I've got the whole collection, the whole pack, as I've shown before in my other reviews. They came in the Ugly Duckling punk. You had the orange ones and you had these veneer ones as well. Very nice set. If you can complete the whole pack, I will highly recommend it. Try to complete the pack. As always guys, if you like the video, then please like the video and remember to subscribe, and I'm going to catch you on the next one. As always, believe.